For my next video, I'd like to do one on YouTube, and there's two special options that I don't think a lot of people know about that I'd like to go over and show you to make life a little easier for YouTube. So let's dig right in, as I like to say. So let's go to YouTube, and let's see here. We're going to go to, let's say, one of my videos, and say, for example, I want to send this part of the video to someone. Well, most of the time, if you're like me, you're gonna send them the whole video, and then you gotta tell them, look at second number and second and see what you're looking for and blah, blah, blah. So there's an easier way. If I can get back to my YouTube channel. So let's go. We're going to stop, and we're going to say right there, I want to share that. Okay, so now we go to the share button, but here's the secret trick, whatever you want to call it. Right here, there's a share at 140. So you select that, then you do your share to Gmail, message, whatever you want. But you want to check that box so it starts where you want them to watch it. It's a pretty neat feature. Instead of having to go through all of YouTube channel trying to find one neat spot that somebody says or tells you, or they tell you go to 2 minutes and 5 seconds, you can just have it queued right up when you send the video to the person. So very handy. Number one. Number two is, if you don't like shorts, there's a way to get rid of those. So what you can do is tap on your the bottom right hand corner, go to settings, and time management. So we're in our accounts. Go back here so I do it right. So go back to you, and then go to your settings, cogged wheel in the upper right corner, and then go to time management. Scroll all the way down, shorts limit feed. Set how much time you can scroll on shorts each day. So we want to select that. Now here's the secret. Again, it's not really a secret, but here's the way to the part that nobody knows here, hopefully. You want to hit 0 minutes. Okay, now when you go through your videos, you will not see any shorts, only full videos. There'll be no shorts in any of your previews or anything, and you have to turn them back on, which I don't watch shorts a whole lot, but I do want them turned on. But if you're someone like me that doesn't like them or watch them, turn them off. It saves a lot of time management. And so here we go, back to time management, scroll down, shorts feed limit, turn that back off. And then now your shorts should come back up. So that's my video on two really neat features in YouTube that can make your life a little bit easier and shorter. Not your life, but shorter ways to do things. Spitting and spattering here tonight. So I hope you found my videos to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.